Grantek has a long relationship with Sepasoft as our first Sepasoft Premier integrator and an Inductive Automation Premier integrator. Their staff has ample experience with our products, in many cases having used them since pre-release testing. So we like partnering with Grantek as they leverage deep experience in focus industries like life sciences, food and beverage, and consumer products.
For Grantek to serve our clients best, we need stable technology partners with strong products and platforms. And Sepasoft really gives us a full scope set of MES functions, all within a single platform on Ignition. We've used this suite to create our OE accelerator, which our clients love as it delivers 80% of the functionality that they need out of the box and then is easily customized to their unique needs. It gives them that fast time to value that they're looking for. And it helps us also expand into all other MES functionality into SPC, track and trace, and even more.
With Grantek's industry experience, they can help direct the customer during each phase of the project implementation, from discovery to post-project training, having been there and seen it before. Their ability to build from best practices as an experienced partner can't be overstated.
With the launch of SepaIQ, Sepasoft has really given us a new tool set to deliver contextualized data from and a full scope AI-powered analytics solution. All of our top clients today expect their MES solution to connect very well within their unified namespace or a similar data architecture, and this can all be handled within the Sepasoft platform.
Grantek's experience is a double benefit for Sepasoft. Our first concern for our mutual customers, the manufacturers, is that they achieve their business goals with their MES. Business mission success through the MES project is critical and has to be the first priority of all parties. Secondly, Sepasoft receives feedback from the Grantek team on how to improve our products based on their field use. It really is a win-win. We get happy customers and better products by working with Grantek.
The Sepasoft team supports us through all project phases when needed, whether that's validating architectures and initial designs or giving us deeper support when we're solving complex problems during project execution. And when we're delivering their new products like SepaIQ, Grantek and Sepasoft work hand in hand to ensure our clients get the right outcome with all risk mitigated. So we're very excited to see the launch of SepaIQ and to continue delivering exceptional full scope MES solutions to our clients in food and beverage, CPG, and life sciences using Sepasoft's product suite. Our clients will reap the rewards of this partnership for many years to come.